So according to MarketWatch, there are different broad approaches investors might take to ride along with the ETF adoption over the years. One way to do this is to focus on batteries, especially lithium and other raw materials used to make them. Two ETFs that follow this space are the $3.5 billion Global X Lithium and Battery Tech ETF and the Wisdom Tree Battery Value Chain and Innovation Fund WBAT. Okay, so but they have three other ETFs that have a broad approach in that EV space. The first of them all is the Global X Automotive Autonomous and Electric Vehicles ETF (DRIV). It holds 75 stocks of companies around the world that are involved with various aspects of development and manufacture of autonomous driving systems and or EVs. It has $800 million in assets under management and has a modified market cap weight with Microsoft as the top holding, making up 3.1% of its portfolio according to FactSet. The second one is the $389 million iShares self-driving EV and tech ETF, IDRV. It holds 116 stocks. Its top holding is Eton Corp, ETN stock, which makes up 4.7% of the portfolio and produces electrical components used in vehicles. The third of those ETFs is the $192 million Crane Shares Electric Vehicle and Future Mobility Index ETF, KARS. It holds shares of 64 companies involved with EV development and manufacture, but adds exposure to lithium and copper mining as well as fuel cell technology. Its largest holding is 5.6% of the portfolio is Samsung SDI Co Limited, which makes batteries and semiconductors and indeed other things you know of. Okay, so they have these ETFs hold 195 stocks, but they have paired the least to 156 companies covered by at least 5 analysts polled by FactSet. Okay, and then they have weighted it down to 20 stocks that have at least 75% buy equivalent or equivalent rating. Okay, and that have the most upside potential in the next 12 months based on consensus price targets. And I think a total of about 6 of them all are traded in the US. So the first of them all will be INVZ. Let's have a look. INVZ is Israeli based, but is listed in the US. Okay, as of the 14th of December, the company announced its partnership with Outside's spatial intelligence software. The company's unique real-time edge processing and cloud capability platform offers a plug-and-play solution of effectively integrating 3D LiDAR data into any infrastructure, industrial or vehicle application. Outside software, together with Innoviz's LiDAR products, will aim to facilitate and accelerate the adoption of 3D LiDAR technology beyond the ADAS market. So that's some piece of news concerning INVZ. Okay, so let's see the next one. The next top one traded in the US. Okay, but INVZ on this list is the cheapest. It has as of Friday, December the 28th, it was trading at $3.58. Share buy rating of around 83%. Implied 12-month upside potential to 165%. So next one is CHPT, ChargePoint Holdings. Also relatively cheap, $8.31, 76% buy rating, and price target is $20.82, 150% upside potential. Okay, let's have a look at that. CHPT. Says here as of the I think 30th was probably Friday or thereabouts. It says 10% owner bought 1.436 million shares at $8.14 to $8.5, bought $11.9 million. Okay, probably some insider trading or something like that. Okay. Yes, insider trading as well. Yes, that was as of Friday. That's from chairman and CEO. Okay. Short interest is a 14.3. So maybe we can actually have a look and see CHPT short interest. Okay, 17.18% is the short interest on CHPT. Okay, let's see the next one that is traded in US. Piedmont Lithium Inc. Okay, has a buy rating of 100%, trading closed at $41.64, and price target is a 104.18, 150% upside potential. Let's see whether we can get any short interest on. Let's see what's the PLL. PLL, I think short interest is there isn't enough skepticism, but in the off exchange in the dark pools it's for 8.3%. Okay, let's see here on Charles Schwab what they have on PLL. Okay, not that much. I think it was on the move in the pre-market of the 13th of December. Yes, didn't gain a huge lot. So the next one will be I think XPeng trades in the US, but for some reason we don't have it there. Let's see. Let's see whether we have XPeng. XPEV, yes, it trades in the US. Okay, so let's see whether we can get short interest on XPEV. Okay, only 9.3% is the short interest on XPeng. Okay, the next one is INDI Okay, so XPeng has 83% buy rating, price target of okay, close at $37.75, price target of 91.04, 1.1% upside potential. So the next stock is INDI. Let's find what the short interest is. INDI short interest in the Semiconductor Inc. Short interest is 16.34%. In the dark pools it's at 39.12. Okay, let's see. INDI. Okay, as of the 19th, it announced its first system on chip for external automotive lighting. The new INDI 83080 is a highly integrated LED matrix controller that simplifies the design and reduces the cost of advanced high definition exterior lighting applications where individual LEDs are turned on and off to deliver pixel level control. Okay, yeah. So that was as far back as the 19th of December. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next one will be okay, these are the ones. Let's see. Lithium America Lithium America's Corp. Okay, 93% buy rating, closed as of the 28th of December at $25.42. Target is $50.45, 98% upside potential. Let's see LHC, and let's find out what the short interest is. Okay, 9.08%, not a huge lot, but on the in the dark pools is 43.99%. Okay, let's see. Lithium Americas. Okay, as of the 20th of December, there was a news out there that the company, that's Lithium Americas and Arena Minerals Inc., indicated that they have entered into a deal that will allow Lithium Americas to acquire all of Arena's common stock it does not already own. Okay, yeah, that was some news concerning Lithium Americas. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next one will be Coherent Corp. Coherent Corp has an 84% buy rating as of the 28th of December. The closing price was 32.22. Target is 59.19. 84% upside potential. Let's see. COHR. Let's see what its short interest is. Current Inc. Okay, it's 5.82% in the lead markets, but in the dark pools is 51.19%. Okay, so let's see Coherent Corp. Okay, and as of the 20th of December, it says here that JP Morgan adjusts current price target to $52 from $4. It maintains overweight rating. Okay, and has an average rating of outperform and price targets ranging from $30 to $118 according to analysts polled by Capital IQ. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is let's find out which one it is. Okay, I think we have, okay, about the last one is STLA, Stellantis. Okay, it has some 6% buy rating, closed at 13.12 as of today, 28th of December. Price target is 20.92, and the least target of all the stocks we covered now is it has a least target of 59, least potential of 59.59%. Okay, STLA. Let's find out what the short interest is. I bet you it's not going to be much. Stellantis is they make it's a holding company for a lot of well-known brands, automotive brands. I believe Peugeot, okay, and all that stuff. So short interest, like as I predicted, down. Sorry, it's a minus 0.74%, but in the dark pools it's 57.56. Okay, so is there more to see here? ST, let's see, STLA. Okay, closed at $14.2 as of I think probably the 30th of December. Okay, the Treasury releases additional information on clean vehicle provisions of Inflation Reduction Act, so it definitely is related to it. it does concern STLA. It says here, consumers of the clean vehicle tax credits will help them. Okay, FAQs for consumers on the clean vehicle tax credits will help consumers better understand how to access the various tax incentives for the purchases of new and used electric vehicles available beginning from the 1st of January, and much more. Okay, so these are the some of the EV stocks, EV related, or broadly facing EV stocks and ETFs. So see what you make of all of these, and thank you very much for watching this video.